I've been going through my radios. I've got President Lincoln's, Grant's, Galaxies, quite a few rigs. Superstar 3900, which was my original choice to put in the RV, but it only goes to 28305, I think it was. So I put the Lincoln in just for the hell of it, and it's just too noisy. I can't deal with all that processor noise that it has. It's just got a really high noise floor. So I went with the Quad 5. This is a dual final radio. It's like 8 or 10 watts on AM. It's got a really quiet front end in it. And it's got a frequency spread of like 25 and change to 30.100, I think it was, as far as the high end goes. And I wanted something that would cover a band below channel 1, so 40 down, and then the legal 40 channels, and then uppers to about 800, and then I wanted the ham bands. And when this is set up out of the box, when you do the mod, it also only goes to 28305, but it goes way down to 25 megahertz in band A. And I don't want 25 megs. That's worthless. I don't even go below 1 hardly at all. There's only one channel I use, the 915, and that's all I really needed. So I set this one up as follows. I've got this for band A. It starts at 28300 and goes up 10 kc steps, and it lands on zeros, right? Because we usually land on zeros in the ham bands anyway. And if you want to add the 5, you can just go with the clarifier and turn that up. So that's not a big deal. So anyway, that goes, so A band goes from 28.3 to 28,890. B band goes from 28,900 to 29,640. I wanted some of the 10 meter repeater action, and I've got this so it splits, so when you key up, okay, so it has the proper offset. Obviously you'd have to turn it to FM. And then I've got the 10 meter FM simplex channel in there, and then I go from the top of 10 meter phone all the way down to, I know those beeps are annoying, you can turn it off. Anyway, down to 890. So those overlap. Then I have 26515 to 955. Then 26965, right, to 405. D is the regular CB band. Then we can go up 40 to 855. And then this one goes to 305. And you flip back down here. Right? Oh, yeah. Come on. To 300. So this makes it another group of 40 up. 60 up, actually, in this mode. Okay, so the Quad 5, I won't go over the features right now. This is just kind of a video to show you, and it's running a little bit longer than I thought. Pretty decent radio. You just program it on the old laptop. The software is a little funky. It takes a little while to get used to, but no big deal. I think this is going to work out really good. Okay, thanks for watching my Quad 5 RV mobile setup.